La Jolla.
Run fast for your mother, fast for your father. Run for your children, run your sickles and brothers. Leave all your love and your love behind. Carry it with you if you want to survive.
Oh my God, this is
Some celebrity definitely lives there. Like, no way.
wild.
That is wild.
You just explore La Jolla. Looks like old homes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice homes too. Like where you see movies for like the Hollywood stars. Look at that house. Some of them are so mod.
They're really mod.
Yeah, like really.
Oh, I like this one.
Castle-y looking one.
Yeah, it looks like Florida. Where are we going?
Wow, look at that view. You woke up too.
Rich fam.
Nice school, shops, restaurants, parties. Monterey, those rocks there would be covered with seals.
I think I just saw a whale.
No, you didn't.
I'm making that up. Just kidding. There's something like over there that like
see it. I know what you're looking
yeah, it looks like it popped out, like the back popped out of the water and then like came back in. But I could just be making that up.
Seal. Look at these houses. That's
No, it was too big to be a seal. What? These are houses?
a restaurant.
Yeah, these are like
Probably condo.
yeah. But then he stopped. Oh, where? Oh, I see a seal. I see it. 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 I see the seal on the beach. All right.